In this video, I'll show you how to use custom fields in QuickBooks Online with the new interface, so you can track the extra details your business actually needs, right on invoices and other forms. Custom fields are great for things like PO numbers, project codes, delivery dates, or internal references, and the big benefit is consistency. Everyone enters the same type of info in the same place, which makes searching and reporting cleaner later. To set them up, click the gear icon, then look for custom fields. If you don't see it, it's usually a permissions or plan limitation. Click Add Custom Field. Give it a clear name your team will recognize. Then choose the right data type, text, number, or date, because the more specific the type, the fewer entry mistakes you'll get. Next, choose where the field should appear by selecting the relevant forms, like invoices, estimates, or purchase forms, and keep it limited so your layouts don't get cluttered. Save. And now, when you create those forms, you'll see the new field ready to fill in like any other part of the transaction. If your workflow changes later, you can edit or disable fields from the same menu. Subscribe for more QuickBooks tips that keep your data organized and your reports reliable.